Yes, this is campaign update. The news reaching us right now says that the Chief Judge of Nigeria, Justice Kudirat Kekere Ekun, will on Monday, the 29th of September, swear in 57 new senior advocates of Nigeria. What are you guys thinking? Are you sleeping? The campaign has already started and the whole underground work is in place. 57 new senior advocates. Don't forget that Buhari, I'm not talking about dead Buhari, I'm talking about the, the fake one, the Fulani fake Buhari did the groundwork for Tinubu to come in. He planted the INEC chairman. He equally reshuffled the senior advocates of Nigeria that gave right or gave room for this government to strive. This time around, Bola Ahmed Tinubu is doing it by himself. The new Chief Justice, which is Kudirat, he was the one that put him. So now Kudirat will select the people that will work for them for 2027. That is what they are doing. What are you guys looking and waiting for? Let me tell you guys. You see, I said that Nigeria will not move forward. That was what I said. I said it since 2023 that this administration, if the whole Nigeria not buy, it will remain small. Now, you guys are waiting. They are busy buying all the governors, luring them to become one-party system APC. And they are telling them, giving them every high hopes. Promising them they will come back. The ones that have first term now will come second term. That's the promise. And that will happen. Those are the promises that the APC head is giving to all these people to lure them. Now, they are going to put all 57 new senior advocates. What do you think they want to do? These are the men that will defend the results. They will announce the results, give it approval, give it go ahead, and also back it up. 57 new senior advocates. They're simply going to fill their men, the APC lawyers. Those are the people that they will put in place. Are you thinking that they will put PDP lawyers or Labour Party lawyers? Is that what you guys are thinking? You are not thinking what I'm thinking. The campaign is over. Listen, if you have the INEC, if you pocket the INEC, pocket the Judiciary, you pocket the security outfit, that is, you have police, army. Of course, APC has the army. They also have police. They have the army, they have the police, they have everything. And they have the INEC, and they have judiciary. The game is over. So, you Nigerians, I keep saying that you are lazy youth. I'm not the one that called you people lazy youth, Forgive me, but it is not from me. It was from Buhari, fake Buhari. They called you people lazy youths. And that's exactly what I have confirmed. Because if you guys are thinking what I'm thinking, do you think that your vote counts? Your vote does not count. You just go there and queue on the line, waste your time. All they need is one vote. When they get people on the line, even though there are two persons standing on that line on that very day, the rest result will be written in the hotels. Like Wike did in River State. You can cast your vote the much you care. They will write their own results. And their own INEC will announce the results, whether completed or not. And their judiciary, that is, these 57 senior advocates that they're going to plant now, they will approve the result. What else are you going to do? You guys will come on the street, protest for 2 days. The next thing, you start to scramble, looking for something to steal. And the police will start to shoot you people. army will start to shoot you guys, and you people will run inside and start to rant. Social media, you start to murmur. There is nothing you guys can do. This is the time that you people will say no, and enough is enough, and you mean it. Even though it takes you guys 2 weeks to be on the street, do something tangible to show that you guys will not accept anything. And if you guys don't make a move right now, I'm not saying you guys should go to the street and start to do something ugly. What I mean, you should go outside and fight for your rights. It is not bad advice. Go and fight for your rights. Yes. Do not let anybody cheat on you. If you're a youth and you are thinking that maybe tomorrow things will change, things are not going to change the way you are thinking. Let me tell you, these guys are evil men. They are evil men. And they are out there to destroy you. In fact, for 3 years now, going to 3 years, they've been destroying you. Since 8 years Buhari used you guys, they destroyed you. So if you are hoping that peradventure something will change suddenly, no, things don't change suddenly. You plan it. You must have a blueprint. You must have a roadmap before there will be a change. Change, it doesn't come like that. You must make a move before change will come. If you sit there and wait, on the 29th of September, Kudirat Kekere Ekun will swear in 57, let me call them killers. They are the ones that will force you to accept the results. And there is nothing you can do about it if you don't make move today. Today is early. Make move. 2027 is still very far. But they are already done the groundwork. When they get the judiciary, the police, the army, the INEC, and they share money to, there are some of them that will come and start to support them. They will share the money. And some that they will use over social media. The election is over. Are you still waiting for 2027 for election to be casted, for you to queue on the line? And they will dash you people 20,000, 50,000. At the end of the day, your result, your vote will never count. Quote me, after 2027, I will be here to tell you that you people's vote will never count. Quote me. I'm out of here. I don't care. I don't care what you guys think. Don't like me. If you like me, I like you. If you hate me, I hate you. That's my philosophy. That's it, man. I'm out of here, man. I don't care.